Hello, we are Team 3701G. We are here to talk a little bit about how we can use robots to grow plants. Let's say we have a small piece of land to grow plants, either in our backyard or in a community garden, but we don't know how to start. What if we have a robot that can talk to different environmental sensors? Then we can collect data over time and use that data to help us make some decisions regarding the plants. Our hypothesis is that robots will help improve plant health and growth. For example, researchers have developed a robot, Mamia, which has GPS and cameras to track plant growth in large farms, which is showing good results. Why should we do this? Some of the advantages are producing cheap, healthy food free of harmful chemicals. Also, it can help in collecting data. Who can benefit? Schools and universities that teach agriculture, families and community gardens.
Why do plants need to grow? Plants need sunlight, water, and proper pH. pH is a measure on how acidic or basic the soil is. Here's a handy chart on how plants need different levels of sunlight, water, or ranges of pH to grow. Measuring these different characteristics will tell us the best spot for growing each plant.
Great, now we know what sensors to use, but what is a sensor? A sensor is something that can measure different properties of the physical environment like temperature, pressure, etc. Here is an example of the three types of sensors we need. The light sensor measures the brightness or the intensity of light in lux. The conductivity of the soil increases when it is wet. The output of the soil moisture sensor is low for drier soil. An acidic solution has far more positively charged ions in it than a basic one. A pH meter measures the electric potential or voltage of the soil. Higher voltage means lower pH. Here is a vegetable garden. Our hypothesis is that the pH is different between these varied areas within the same garden.
On the left, the pH was 5. On the right, the pH was 7.5. Our hypothesis was correct.
All the data we collected ourselves could one day be replaced by a robot. It will collect data faster, more accurately, help us decide which plants to plant, and take care of them over time. It can also measure types of toxins found in soil, but it has to be sent to a lab first. The toxins include metals and metalloids like nickel, lead, mercury, and arsenic. Pesticides and herbicides like Roundup, Paraquat, and 2,4-diamine. Other types of toxins found in soil are polyaromatic hydrocarbons are produced by burning oil and coal, and polyfluoroalkyl substances are found in cleaning products, fabrics, Teflon, and firefighting foams. Why are these toxins bad? These toxins are bad because they could cause cancer, such as leukemia, brain damage, and Parkinson's disease. Conclusions. Many companies and universities are developing robots to improve farming. Robots that can use sensors to collect data can help determine which plants to grow and where.
These robots can be used for large farms or small gardens.
In the future, GPS and computer programs that can learn could provide even more advanced farming.